What happens when the world's most famous utility helicopter gets a power surge, a digital brain, and a drone wingman? That is the idea behind Black Hawk Next, the Army's effort to keep the UH-60 family dominant well into the 2030s and beyond. This is not a clean sheet replacement. It is a deep modernization of a proven battlefield workhorse, built to handle hotter, heavier, more connected combat environments. At the center of the upgrade is the T901 engine, the Army's new improved turbine engine program power plant. It brings roughly 50% more power than the current engine class, with better fuel efficiency, more reserve power in hot and high conditions, and the lift margin needed for future sensors, armor, and mission systems. The next layer is digital. Black Hawk Next is expected to feature a more advanced cockpit with modern displays, improved mission computing, and architecture designed to accept future software and hardware upgrades faster. And then comes the most interesting part: launched effects. The Black Hawk is being shaped to work with small drones and expendable sensors that can be launched from the aircraft to scout ahead, jam threats, or extend the helicopter's reach without exposing the crew. The engineering logic is clear. The UH-60 is already one of the most trusted helicopters ever built. Black Hawk Next is about making sure it stays useful in a battlefield where speed, connectivity, autonomy, and survivability matter as much as rotor lift. The next Black Hawk is not just getting upgraded, it is being re-engineered for the way wars will actually be fought.
Turkey's T929. Atack 2 is not replacing the T129. It is scaling up everything that came after it. Built by Turkish Aerospace Industries, the Atack 2 is Turkey's next-generation heavy attack helicopter. Larger, more powerful, and designed for tougher battlefields. It is a twin-seat, twin-engine attack helicopter weighing roughly 10 to 11.5 tons at maximum takeoff weight. That puts it closer to heavy attack platforms than lightweight gunships. The aircraft uses a digital cockpit, armored protection, electronic warfare systems, missile warning sensors, and a nose-mounted fly-R targeting system for day and night operations. At the center of the platform are two TB3117 turboshaft engines supplied by Ukraine's Motor Sich, each producing around 2,500 horsepower. That power gives the helicopter expected speeds above 300 kilometers per hour, with a service ceiling near 6,000 meters and operational range around 550 kilometers. But speed is only part of the equation. Atack 2 is built for firepower. It carries a 30mm cannon and 6 external hardpoints capable of launching anti-tank missiles, guided rockets, air-to-air weapons, and unguided munitions. Payload capacity is estimated near 1,500 kilograms. That gives it the flexibility to perform anti-armor strikes, escort missions, deep attack roles, and even maritime operations. Turkey has also explored deploying Atack 2 aboard the TCG Anadolu, expanding its role beyond traditional land warfare. And that matters because Atack 2 builds on something Turkey has already proven: the smaller T129 Atack. The T129 demonstrated that Turkey could design and field a capable attack helicopter for reconnaissance, close air support, and anti-armor missions. But the T129 is lighter. Atack 2 is designed to carry more weapons, survive heavier threats, and operate in higher intensity environments.